Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're still pulling out your physical card to pay for things, Apple Pay is faster, safer, and works almost everywhere. Here's how to set it up and use it for the first time. First, if you do not have the Wallet app on the iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Wallet, and then download the app. Open the app and then tap on the plus button in the top right corner and then tap debit or credit card and tap continue. Now either point your camera to scan it automatically or type the details manually. Then enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV. After that, your bank will send you a verification code. Enter the code sent by a bank, and your card is added. Now, when you want to pay in a shop, hold your iPhone near the card reader and double click the side button. Your iPhone will scan your face with Face ID and the payment goes through instantly. No PIN, no card needed for online shopping. Just tap Apple Pay and check out and it does the same thing. So all you gotta do is open wallet, add your card, double click on the side button at any shop and Face ID pays for you. That's Apple Pay.